Now let's demonstrate how good this hoover is again. Let's use the nozzle for this one. Oh, turn it off, blow and put it on suck. Is that on suck? I think it is. Right then guys, here we go. I now want to start looking at fixing the pelmet on the top of this. Let's cut our first piece at 400 and let's cut this piece at, is 400 going to be enough? Is 400 going to be enough? That is the question. What if I do this? What does that come to? 840. And this way, don't really know where to finish at 305. Right,